Hello everyone, it's Alissa from Photobox Designs, and inside the Photobox I just wanted to show you a new design that we have for it's for seniors, as in graduating high school seniors, and this template is made with squares and rectangles, mostly squares though, that you can fill up using clipping masks, and I wanted to just show you how this works and to unpackage this template. So you'll see here that if you look at the top of the template, it says line border. So you can turn on and off the border. Then you have, this is the font. You could turn that on and off. Here are the masks. They're in their own folder. And then each set of clipping masks is in another folder. So you have clipping mask 2 top. That means that's the number 2 on top. Clipping mask 2 bottom is the number 2 on the bottom, and so on and so on. So what you would do is you would open up, let's say we're going to start off and I'm going to want to maybe fill up this box over here. So I know it's somewhere in clipping mask 2 top. I'm going to open that up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this tool up here, the move tool. I want to make sure that I have show transformation controls checked. So now this is the layer that I want to fill. I'm going to click on it, and that will highlight that this is number 1. Now I'm going to go to my File, Place Embedded, and I'm going to pick this photo right here and place it. Now, of course, it comes in right into the center, so I'm going to move the photo. I'm going to size it down to what I think might be correct, but I can always fix that afterwards. And then I'm going to right-click on this image and press Create Clipping Mask, and that clips it right into the box for me. But I'm also going to just drag it a little bit, and I'm going to, oops, my computer's running a little slow, drag it, and I'm going to just make it a little bit smaller and kind of move it around. And that's how you import a picture into a clipping mask, and that's how you just find which clipping mask you want. So let's say the next one I want to fill is this one back here. Well, I'm making sure that I have my show transformation controls on, and I can see that that is number 11. I'm going to make sure that I'm highlighted on 11 so that when I import, it will import a photo, place embedded, and it's going to import something right on top of number 11. And then bring it down, bring it back up here a little bit again. Maybe I'm going to turn it a little bit, and I'm going to right click, create clipping mask, and it's clipped inside. And if you decide that you don't want it clipped in that spot, you can always move it inside the layer panel. So I can grab that photo and I can move it maybe above number 9. So number 9 is over here somewhere. So I'm going to clip it. Again, I'm going to press Command T or Control T if you're on a PC, and I'm going to move it into the correct box. And that's how you move it around. Now, you'll also see that this template, I'm going to close up this folder, has a variety of different backgrounds. So that's not really anything I need. Okay, so I have background. This one is the white background. I have a dark gray background, and I have a light gray background. The other thing that you'll notice on the clipping masks is that they have the effects. Those are the strokes. That's the borders around your squares. So if you don't want a border, you click off your stroke. If you want to change the border, maybe you don't want this border or you don't want that border, click them off. Maybe you want to change the border completely. Well, you double click on the stroke, opens up the layers style panel, and you can then go into the different layers. You can change the size of your stroke, you could change the color of your stroke, you could turn it off, you could add other cool features around your square. And that's how it works, folks. So, and that goes the same for the text. You have effects here, you could turn them on, you could turn them off. You can also go into the text, you can highlight your text and maybe change the name. Maybe you just want to write the kid's name. That's my son, Jared. So I'm going to change it to Jared. And that's it. So thanks for watching and have a great day.